How would I describe the atmosphere here at Sunkids? Honestly, as soon as I walked through the door, you could just feel the warmth. It just felt like we were at home.
Every child that comes into our care is so precious, and we treat that as such an honour to have them as part of our Sunkids family.
There is a lot of special moments, but I think the most special for myself and my family and my children is the bond that we have with a lot of the educators here at Sunkids Oxley.
It's beautiful to see the relationship that occurs between an educator and a child, and it's something that creates such a sense of belonging and well-being for the child.
We don't have family here in Queensland, and that's why I say they are literally like family to us here.
We truly believe that the heart of education is education of the heart.